Hi YouTube, quick video on the keyboard issue on MacBooks. So if you get a MacBook or the customer comes in and he says that the keyboard is not working properly, first thing first, before you think that the keyboard is actually bad, sometimes it goes bad, especially after the liquid spill, but like in this case, for example, some keys work, some do not work. Like here, like this key does not work. Hi, this key, it's kind of acting up, really weird. Some keys, now it works, but some keys kind of do not work. And you would think that part of the keyboard went out and it's not good, but it is not the case actually. So here's the little trick. If you go into accessibility, into the settings, accessibility, and you go to pointer control, and you see this enable mouse keys. If you disable this, now your keyboard starts to work. Okay, all the keys work, no issues. So that's the first thing you need to take a look at. Make sure nothing has been enabled there. Like another one would be if you go to the keyboard menu and you do like slow keys. Same thing, you press on it, it doesn't work. So you have to press and hold for it to register. Okay, so that's that. So before you deem keyboard replaceable, before you replace the keyboard, and before you even think of replacing the keyboard, make sure these settings are not enabled. Also, the guaranteed option, if you have a bootable macOS drive with your installation, if you boot into it and all the keys work, that's it. Something in settings. But this is just a quick thing, like a couple days ago, kind of got me for a little bit before I figured it out. But just shared information in case you face the same problem. Some of the keys do not work. Make sure the mouse keys, enable mouse keys, are not enabled under accessibility, under pointer control, and make sure all the enable slow keys, and sometimes the enable sticky keys can do some crazy stuff too. So make sure all this stuff is not enabled, and test it out or use the external installation of macOS. Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely days. Lovely lovely day, guys. And as always, if you like my videos, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye. Thumbs up. I turned my camera like that. Okay, bye guys.